Charged with a crime in Marion County, do you have a situation in your life that requires a lawyer who is familiar with the Indianapolis system? If you find yourself in a situation charged with a crime in Marion County, you want a lawyer on your side who understands the intricacies and the ins and outs of the new Criminal Justice Campus, or CJC. Now, obviously in Marion County, you're going to see a wide array of crimes from C misdemeanors to murder and everything in between. Now, when it comes to being charged with a crime, it's very important that you get a lawyer that understands what needs to be done while the case is still in pending procedures that you can do to kind of improve your posture when it comes to being in front of a judge, whether that be at a trial, whether that be at a sentencing hearing, or anything in between. Now, when you're charged with a crime, a good lawyer is going to tell you, hey, if it's a drug or alcohol offense, you need to probably get a drug or alcohol evaluation. Go through any treatment that's recommended by that evaluator. If it's a domestic violence or a crime of violence, whether it be a battery, domestic violence, or something to that effect, a good lawyer is probably going to send you to anger management classes or something like that that's going to help kind of show or improve your posture when it comes to trying to mitigate things when dealing with the prosecutor. And those are all things a good lawyer would do. Now, a great lawyer like us here and Marc Lopez, we're not just going to send you to those places. We're going to make sure that anywhere that we do send you or anywhere we do recommend you to get treatment, whether it be an alcohol evaluation or treatment, whether it be anger management, whether it be anything like that, we're going to make sure that it's going to be approved by that county. Now, a good lawyer is going to say, hey, do this because it's going to look good. Great lawyers like us, we're going to do it because one, not only is it going to look good, but two, it's accepted. Because the last thing you want is you don't want to hire a lawyer who you're already going to spend a ton of money on trying to get them to represent you. You don't want them just to send you to other places and then all of a sudden you're out and having to redo things. That doesn't make any sense. Sure, it looks good from a mitigation standpoint. Sure, it helps. Hey, Mr. Prosecutor, this is what my client did. Great. Probation's not going to accept it. Great. Indianapolis, we don't accept that here. Marion County, we don't accept that. Well, that doesn't do you any good. What we want to do is we want to make sure you feel the result. We want to make sure you understand, hey, I'm doing this not because I'm guilty, not because I didn't necessarily did anything. I don't want to look like $1,000,000. I want the judge to look at me and say, you know what, I'm not going to see you again. That's the type of lawyer that you want to have on your side. Just like us here at the Marc Lopez Law Firm. We're never going to have you do anything that isn't ultimately to your advantage. We know these prosecutors, we know court staff, we know judges, we know the probation department, we know everybody here in Indianapolis, everybody in the Marion County's criminal justice campus. We're there every single day. So when it comes to dealing with a criminal case, you want somebody on your side who knows all this. Not because it changes the outcome. My relationship with the prosecutor doesn't necessarily change your outcome, but it certainly shows the prosecutor that you mean business. Why? Because they're familiar with dealing with us. They know we're not afraid to take cases to trial. Whereas you go get another attorney who's not as familiar with Indianapolis or how the Marion County court system works, you might not have the same experience as you would when you hire somebody who's Marion County specific or Marion County familiar on your side. So if you find yourself charged with a crime in Marion County, you need to find a lawyer who's not only going to tell you, but who's going to show you. So you understand what you're doing, why you're doing it, how it benefits you, all while knowing it's going to be accepted and you are going to look like $1,000,000. So if you got any questions, give us a call, 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.